Okay, I have arrived, and there is absolutely nothing here. No roads, no buildings, no lights, just endless frozen land. The temperature is around -22 Fahrenheit right now. I brought 15 layers of fur and hide, and somehow I am still freezing. So why am I here? Honestly, I needed a break from everything. No notifications, no internet, no noise, just silence. I need three things. Protection from wind, access to water, and higher ground. This place might work. These stones are going to protect the fire and reflect heat back toward me. Right now, this little circle might be my only chance. I have been trying for 30 minutes. My hands are numb. Without fire, surviving this night becomes impossible. Oh my God, it worked! I cannot explain how amazing this tiny flame feels right now. Water is everywhere here, but I can't drink it. I need to melt and boil it first. I drink water every day without thinking about it. Here, every sip feels like a reward. Okay. These tracks are massive. Something huge was here recently, and I think I need to find out what. Wait, do you see that? That's smoke, which means people. I honestly didn't think I'd find anyone out here. Oh my, that's a real settlement. These people have absolutely no idea who I am, and honestly, I'm just as nervous as they probably will be. Okay, stay calm, Chloe. Smile, don't run. Hopefully they don't think I'm dangerous. I think he's more interested in my camera than me. Fair enough.
I'd probably react the same way.
This is incredible. I don't understand a single word they're saying, but somehow I already feel safer. Well, mystery meat again. Honestly, that's actually delicious. Sorry, Dad. This might be better than your barbecue. I can't understand their language, but somehow we don't really need words. I have absolutely no idea what I'm saying, but I think we're introducing ourselves. Something big is happening. Nobody's talking much. Everyone looks completely focused. I think they're taking me with them. If I'm right, tomorrow I might witness my very first Ice Age hunt. We've been walking for almost an hour now, and nobody has said a single word. Every movement is planned. Everyone just stopped, which probably means they've seen something. Oh my, those are real woolly mammoths. They're so much bigger than I ever imagined. Nobody's talking. They're planning everything with hand signals. They've probably done this their whole lives. I think that means don't move. Trust me, I'm definitely not moving. They're surrounding the herd, slowly, making sure the animals can't escape. This is difficult to watch, but these people aren't hunting for sport. They're hunting because their families need to survive. I've been waiting here for hours, and they're finally coming back. Nothing goes to waste. Every single part will help this community survive the winter. We're back, and I don't think I'll ever forget what I witnessed today. Life here is incredibly hard, but everyone shares the work and everyone shares the food. Okay, welcome to my room tour. It's definitely not a 5-star hotel, but after today, this looks absolutely perfect. For the first time today, I can actually feel my fingers again. I never thought I'd be this excited about being warm. This tiny lamp is their version of electricity. No switches, no batteries, just fire and animal fat. I've never seen a sky like this. No city lights, just millions of stars. It's amazing. After everything they went through today, there's still laughter, warmth, and people looking after one another. I thought this journey would teach me about survival, but it's actually teaching me about gratitude. Technology changes, but kindness doesn't. These people have welcomed a complete stranger into their home. 30,000 years separate us, but this is the exact same sky we all still share. Tomorrow, my journey continues, but I'll never forget the people who taught me what survival really means. If this adventure reminded you how incredible human history really is, come with me on the next journey. I'm Hannah, and I'll see you somewhere else in the past.